How to fix event ID 153 source cannot be found. So if you want to fix the event ID 153 source cannot be found, then what you need to do is first, you need to clean or reinstall NVIDIA drivers. This error means your NVIDIA driver lost communication with the GPU, usually caused by driver corruption or hardware instability or a failing storage device. You can fix it by performing clean driver installation and checking for hardware conflicts. So you need to download the latest installer from the NVIDIA drivers and use the display driver uninstaller in safe mode to completely remove your old drivers. And then install the newly downloaded driver and select perform a clean installation. Or if that doesn't work, then the second thing you need to do is disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Sometimes this Windows feature conflicts with the NVIDIA driver and causes crashes. So press the Windows and I keys together and then it will open up your settings. Then you need to go with your system, then go with display and then graphics. Go with graphics settings, click on default graphics settings and then toggle the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling to off. After that, restart your PC and check if your problem has been fixed. Or if not, you can check for storage or system corruption. Event ID 153 is fundamentally a storage timeout issue, often triggering when an nvme or slash SSD is overloaded or overheated. So open up the command prompt, right click on it, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. You need to type in sfc space forward slash scan now and then hit the enter. Check your SSD or NVMe health using software like Crystal Disk Info to ensure the drive isn't failing. Make sure your SSD is properly seated and has updated firmware. At last, you need to check for hardware instability. If the GPU, RAM, or power supply unit are unstable, they can disconnect under load. Turn off any overclocks on your GPU, CPU, and RAM. Make sure your GPU power cables are securely plugged in and ensure your PSU wattage is sufficient for your components. And with these, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.